Hello, here we are with answers to the given question. Let's start the discussion. In this context, we are dealing with the maximum tolerable case. Maximum tolerable downtime. Also, we have to take into consideration the role of failures. And here also the mean time is considered. Also, the failed drive amount is taken here, and finally the losses are considered. But unfortunately, the questions that we have here provide us incomplete information, and for the very same reason we could say that all the questions here are incomplete.